Okay, you ready?
You ready?
1, 2, 3. Okay, bring it up for the other guys.
Okay.
Brayden, don't go on. Alright, was it good?
It was fun.
Okay, bring it up. It's other kids' turns.
Okay.
You're not the only kid here.
I know. I was trying to fix it. It was super fun.
You don't.
Okay.
Sit all the way down.
And I'm gonna
Ready,
push it.
Push it hard. Yay! Woo. Was that fun, Brayden? Here, I got it for you. Oh, you carry it? Okay, Brayden's gonna carry it up. Don't go up the slide. Yeah, there you go. That's the slippery part. Okay, push Xander. You gotta push him really hard.
Do you like my winter clothes?
Yeah, they're cute.
Made out of sweatshirt material.
Oh, he pushes good. He just doesn't push hard enough.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa! Whoa! Look at you. You did a flip. Okay, my turn. Daddy's turn. Here. Here's the video.
Okay.
I'm gonna push it.
Is it going already?
Yeah.
Okay, great. All right, here's Daddy's turn. Don't break our slide, Daddy.
That was fun. Here, let me. Come on, try one more.
Okay.
I wonder if I could do snowboarding down it.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, don't break
Push
your
me.
head. You have a thesis to finish.
Ah,
You have to put all your weight in your other foot.
I'm trying. I'm never good at snowboarding.
Oh, I think you broke our slide.
Oh, it's just fine. Watch.
Push me, Brayden.
Oh, Greg. Woo! Not on the side.
Get the slide. Get the slide, I mean.
How do you feel?
Amazing.
Good. Are you ready to finish your thesis? Just thought I'd throw that in there
Thank you.
for like,
To ruin my day.
no, just to like time stamp it, you know?
Yeah.
I'm gonna push him really
It's exciting that you're almost done.
It is
A
exciting.
couple weeks.
fast. Okay, I'm gonna push him.
Wait, not yet. Wait till he sits all the way on his bum. Ooh, holy. Makes me nervous because that's water down there. Yeah,
parents.
we're responsible.
Ah, they're never going to make it all the way down. Can I help, Brayden?
Greg, I think we might have to put more snow on our slide.
It doesn't go really fast, right?
I don't want to be done yet.
They're going real good still.
All right. Just say goodbye.